guys, it's your favorite rockstar realtor Roxy here, and in today's video we're going to be looking at this stunning property that I have listed right now. It is over at 7165 Fred Bates Road. It's a beautiful brick rancher house with a workshop, a detached apartment, and unrestricted 24 plus cleared acres of land. And in today's fun video, we are going to be utilizing AI technology, and we are going to be looking at different ideas that you could actually build on this property and all of these fun acres. So getting started with our outlook number one. And our outlook number one is our horse property. And as you can see here, we're going to be taking a look at all of the different factors. So on this side, we have a fabulous barn. Then we have our arena and all of that fun jazz over here. And then up here, we have a horse paddock, and another horse paddock all the way over there. Our fabulous house. And you have enough room that you can throw in a fun pool. So take all of this in, guys. I'll give you guys a second. Isn't it just fabulous? Definitely has enough land to have an entire equestrian dream home. Now moving into number two photograph. So now we have our cows and our farm all over on this side of the house. And over here we have just our croplands where you can plant anything you want, have some awesome family gardening going on. It doesn't even matter. It could all be cows. But here is this crazy idea too. I'll give you a second to take it all in. All I'm saying is Chick-fil-A would love it. Now moving on to our AI generated photo number 3. So in this picture, we really took into the new thing that's been going on, family compounds. So maybe you're all really close with your family and you just want a lot of land that you can build a couple houses and have all of that fun stuff together. So I really played into that idea on this property as we have our horses and everything over on this corner of the map. And then up here we have a pond that we've put in. We have a house up at the toppity top up there. We have a golf course going on, another house, a driveway taking you all the way up there, and of course you have a pool and an arena, and you can just do a ton of stuff with this amount of land. I mean, you could throw out more pools, you could have an ATV course, all of the things could be happening, and this is just to give you an idea of some of that fun stuff. So I'll give you a second to take it all in. Now moving on to our fourth and final photo, AI generated. This one is our dude ranch. I had so much fun making this one. And in this side you have your barn with your horses and all of that fun stuff. And in the back you have all of your cabins that you could rent out and get some passive income. They also have their own driveway that they can get to it, so they're not having to bother you. You can just be raking in the dough. And then of course you have your pond over here, and you have your petting zoo, because who doesn't need llamas in their life? So we have our llamas and sheeps over here, and you got your pool and your playground in the back for the dude ranch and just all of that fun stuff. And I'll give you guys a second to take it all in. And yeah, guys, that was all of my fun photos that I had, just showing some of the potential that this land really has to offer. And let me know if you guys have any other ideas that you would like to see. And if you'd ever like to schedule a showing to see this property, make sure you hit me up. All my details will be linked below, as long as more links to the house. And feel free to ask me any questions. Make sure you subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. And I look forward to talking to you guys soon. Bye!